Sup guys, today we are going to talk about the most important functions of Python and why they are important, which you must have already known by now from the title, the directory and help functions. Python is a programming language with a lot of built-in functions. We can say that because of which it has got its popularity that it has now. And we'll leave that about the functions in Python as a separate topic because it is so vast that it is a topic of its own. So, which we'll be looking into later. So for now, imagine Python has thousands of functions in it. Then can anybody remember all of them? Possible? Yes. Probable? I don't think so. So, and you don't even have to remember all the functions that are available in Python. So, how can we figure out a way? So for this reason, we have these two functions. So the directory function is one such function that will tell you what are all the available functions or attributes on a particular object, or yeah, in like on a particular object. So how does it work? So now let us create a variable, say a is equal to 10. Now I want to look into the variable a and look and find out what are all the available methods or attributes on it. So dir directory of that particular variable will give me all the methods available on that particular object. Okay, now we'll see one more example. So I want to find out what are all the methods or functions available on my variable called as name, so that I can play with my variable more and check out how it works. So now for example, name is a string, name is equal to Gautam. So Gautam is a string that is being referred by the variable name called as name. Now these are all the methods available. Let me show you. Yeah, so these are all the methods available on my name variable or a string variable. Okay, so now how can I use them? Simply we'll do something now. Name dot let me check. I'll convert it to upper. Name dot upper. You see, I have given it in this case where the first character is capital and others are small. But when I convert it to upper, everything has been converted to upper character. Right, now I say lower. So everything has been converted to lower. Right, so these are all the methods we have in it. But now I have a doubt. There are some other functions like translate, swap case, and all, and I'm quite not sure of how those functions work. Let us assume, because knowing what functions available is one step, but how they are implemented in the particular programming language is also to be known, right? So without knowing that, we cannot actually work with them properly, right? So for that situation, we have something called as help function. So how does this work? Name of, I mean help of name dot, let us say I'm not sure of the index function on it. Observe clearly, I am not calling that function with the brackets. I am not giving the brackets there. because whenever you give brackets after your function name, it will automatically be interpreted as a function call. It means like the function itself will be invoked. We don't want that to happen. I just want to know about how this particular function is implemented. So yes. So help on built-in function index. So what it's saying? Index is a method of str, string instance, okay, and returns the lowest index of s where substring sub is found. So for example, so like name dot index of, let us see what it returns. So which means it takes an argument. Now in this what we'll do is we'll give us, see what it said in the help, we have to give a substring. If we do not give a substring, it doesn't know what to do. So if we give a substring, let us say for example THAM, then rather I'll also remove M. Okay, I give THA. So now this substring is available in the given string called name, right? Because the string that is stored in name is Gautam. So in that there are these three characters. The way that I am giving it to the index function THA are available. So what this returns is, this will return the index position of this character T, of the lowest character. See, G is 0, A is 1, U is 2, and T is 3. So this is how the directory and help functions work. Why are they so important? Because they help us in making sure that we don't have to remember all the built-in or in functions available in Python, and uh, you can learn about the function anywhere on the go whenever you are encountered with a particular object. All right, so hope this is clear. Now I want to know what are all the available built-in functions on my, as soon as I invoke my Python interpreter. For which reason, without, if I do not pass any arguments to the directory function, it returns every available method or attribute on that, on the direct interpreter itself. These are the objects that are available, it says, and these are the built-in methods. What are they, how are they used, we can learn about them later. Okay, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.